Hey, Brayden, show us your dinosaur. He wants to put those eyes on it. That dinosaur can see really well, can't he? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, now he can't see. He doesn't have any eyes anymore. Uh-oh. Off? You took it off? Can the dinosaur see? Can he see? Uh-oh, there's a hole in it. There's a hole. You better put his eyes back. Can you put his eyes back in? Yeah, because he can't see it. Otherwise, he'll have to get glasses. Yeah. Phew, that's better. Now he can see. Yay! He can see. Yeah. You're funny. You're funny. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.